Welcome back to Hack My Fashion. Today I'm gonna tell you all girls what necessary things do you have to have in your bag. Very firstly, all girls should have a nice bags. After that, you all should have a nice pouch. If your pouch is transparent, then it's really nice. You can see through the pouch and you can find the stuff inside. So you don't have to look too much. So right now I have this one. So that's my pouch and it's not transparent, but yet I'm using it. Now, very first thing I will put in my pouch will be my sanitizer. Sanitizers are very important, guys. I don't really have to tell you the use of it. Now, secondly comes my face wash. Face wash is necessary if suddenly you come up with a meeting or you have to go for a party or there is an urgent meeting. So you can just quickly freshen up and go for it. Now comes your comb. The comb is very important. You should always have it with you. Next comes your minimal makeup. Your minimal makeup is very important to look presentable. Okay, so I have few things. This is kajal plus liner together, so I don't have to carry two things. It's covering the two. Then comes my mascara. Then it's my CC cream. A small chotu sa makeup with 2 or 3 shades in it, and this is a lip balm and this is a matte lipstick. So this is very tiny in shape, so it's very easy to carry. Now comes your mini first aid. In that I am having 2 normal medicines for my head pain or my busy days, and comes band-aid. Girls, we know that we get shoe bites, so we should at least have 2 band-aids along with us in our pouch. Then I have some mouth fresheners. This is a mint flavor mouth freshener. It's a peppermint. Then I have few Happydents with me, so I keep these 2 girls. Nobody likes bad breath, so you should have such things in your pouch. So apart from these two, you can also have some sprays. You get all that in your market. You can check whatever you like. Some mouth fresheners, sprays, and all you get. There are a lot of options. There are chewing gums, many things. So some chocolates if you feel dizzy or something. Then comes your daily cream. We should have a daily cream in our pouch. We don't want to get suntans or what, so I use this. That's my daily cream. And girls, we don't really want to smell bad, so this is must. So a perfume bottle, whatever, whichever brand you like, is must. You should have a perfume spray along with you, small or maybe whatever you like. Okay, then comes your facial wipes. For instant freshness or for your makeup removing, you can use them, whichever brand you like of your choice. Very importantly, girls, don't forget to carry your sanitary. It's very important. If you use tampons, go for it. And whatever, whichever brand you like, please keep one at least in your bags, because you know during emergencies you can't just go and ask people for things like that. So you should have your own personal pads in your bag. Okay, so few things I did not list it, but yet they're important. I will tell you right now is your power bank or your chargers. If you use a lot of phones, you're stuck somewhere, your battery is draining, you should always have 1 or 2 options with you. And then comes a small diary if you're a writing person, or if you are traveling, you want to write something, you have a meeting, you should have your own diary and a pen. You can't just really ask everyone for a pen or something. So such basic things should be in your bag. And very importantly, girls, we all should have a pepper spray in our bags. If we are caught somewhere or if you feel that somebody is trying to come on you, you can just remove it from your bag and just put it on him. And from today, even I'm gonna have it one day. Don't forget to like and share. And for more such videos, stay tuned with me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.